na mo circulate na mo pe obi edinatem no. Ask yourself, say, you want to educate who? Have you finished educating your father? Even you yourself, how educated are you? Where's your certificate? Where were you educated? Hey, you see, I don't want to be personal, but you are being personal. You are attacking someone who you're not supposed to. If you want to attack somebody, attack Akufo-Addo. Attack Akufo-Addo's government. They are collecting the taxes and squandering. They are excessive borrowing, excessive taxation. It's not a tool for. If you don't know about politics, baby in politics, come and let's educate you before you start attacking people. This is a warning. Tread carefully. Next time, I'm not going to be this nice. Make out your power. I don't care about your group or who you think you are, what you think you do. Let me ask you something. A dear Ben, why am I Ghana mine? Mubaya manu tobe no. Let me start. I'll start calling names. A dear Ben, am I ye? Our Ghana mine. I'm on fire na mabuamo. Schools are here, hospitals are here, and kunyai na matuto, balls are in a masisi. Mubeja manu tobe. Uti abroches or fucking what? Masa, mumu be brain mo. But where you are going, tread carefully. It's just a warning. Next time, I won't be this nice. Mekachiramo, Otumfuo has not collected any taxes. Mekachiramo, Otumfuo has not collected any taxes. The government in power is who mismanaging our taxes, is who destroying our economy, is who destroying Ghana, not Otumfuo. Information out the channel puano. Mibusao, how authentic is that information? Have you done your homework and see say it came from Ohenene himself? No, you did not. Midu besia. Do your work properly. Otherwise, next time, I won't be this nice. Take care of yourselves.
That one district, one factory. Somebody tell that stupid Captain Smart. Say under one district, one factory facility in T. And they can tank her. Yeah, Omokas nam Dubai yo. Omokas nam Saudi Arabia ye ton ho. Is the Ghana youth really serious about developing themselves? Me say here, Aisha, I swear to God, when I read the budget, because, okay, first and foremost, let me confess. When I had not read the budget, I was going by what the NDC were saying. Okay, it's NDC for because I say, oh, budget we no dey call IMF no. Mo dey mo pa mo hwe finance minister beba because or dey call IMF. This is the IMF budget. Oh, budget we na chere say bibia tete no. We dey you people will know. Or no be gina ho kan a mo be hu sampa Ghana tete apansam. I'm not lying. This is exactly what NDC said. Almost say, can we for oh good. Mokai say a HIPIC budget. Mokai. To be honest with you, me NT budget no na mabohu kakra. Because na me tie say NDC for MPs na eka and ye bia na omuanya idea about what the budget entails into no more kasasa. Into na me yemo hiheme. Me fancy mo. I will not lie. To be honest, na me yemo hiheme say, "Hey, into NDC for asemo mo kan ya be mo ampa say ye call IMF budget ne ba ye no mo hu say da bi o sa tax okura no ba ko penny ye de aba." The only tax introduced in the newest tax I introducing wa de we mu e the e-levy tax say woman na ye tax say NDC for the bad that they wo ho dia ye tea bi so dia ye twa bi mu ene wo ho na sebe enye ferie isa Aisha enye ferie enye ya enye ni wo so ka ho say Ghana ni graduate graduate to wako Legon, wako KNUST, wako Central University, wako Valley View, wako Christian Methodist University, wako Nininebi, onim economic indicators. Wako Nininebi, onim bias, waka so onima no boa. Na ya tro budget, ya ready budget. The woman in no young count. The Yahoo say, e-levy. Oh. Ah, Nanya Mosun and then some Makofa boy Biabasa, yes, a glass and quantity, as a Ghana, yet is a glass and guano. And Nanya more. When time is a face the country for near a Jimmy for. Me, to be honest, I thought this budget would have satisfied first the country people to some extent. Say, Omo baby, you know, your job, and say, a woman, no mama, buying pressure, and I buy yes, a way budget. No, I swear, Aisha, I thought that was what they were going to do. I thought, say, all these fix the country freedom fighters are no moody at Temuno, ni ye pejumo, me kai Avram Moshe, say, Obeko ghetto, I could for you to know no more government in hell. Ye pejumo. Now finally, the budget yaba. And kakoshe job session no krana she. Yen create shiama wa waka say o create shiama. Na mama min shemu NDC for kakra ha say. Munim say NDC o be di aban mu ni na no. Every year be mu ready budget they go for supplementary budget. Opa your records na check it. There is no single year, even 2011. Mutie 2011 krana Ghana ye economy no epeja ni mu no. They still went for supplementary budget. Opa mo dem check it. Obi Google sisi no on can tell me if I'm lying and shame me here. Obi Google sisi somebody Google it and shame me right now. Ekufuado for the 5 years the budget our kind na on koka say ye per supplementary budget. This is the first time in the books of Ghana abanye to me edi no huni etua na adwuma ye foka. First, and every week be another demonstration. Ghana for we refi. Single spine salary one. A teacher for actual day 3 years. Yes, every month 3 months. Ghana for we refi. Face the country a pejuma the youth need job. Abraham Moshe why you who tia se kwadu ayaka so abu ebisa no. Wa betra we want job. Yeah, the budget ya ba de mu ya ne e-levy. Eno kwa na mu. Won se mu yen krase for. And I was say glass and corn. Now I see you got it to the 7 Mama, I mend them up upon Mutrasu Mini or Mukoto Sunwin and Vengo sees his glass and guano. Eh, okay, the Jeff River. Now I see you made things our body send our ass or a sapon and on any Vanguard glass and guana mamana. VAT until 2017. Namutia 17.5%. I don't say you're true. 17.5% and an amutia. You were paying 5% on levies and stuff. A kufa do a bit 17. The awent tremunus were reduced. Was there be you no? I didn't hear cause I said Mahamaba or Bayeding. Well, so I'm my yes, we ended it. How on earth do you guys think like Nyansano we we are graduate here ready budget and kafa budget and na do na hwe de mu yema there be a sama hama benti the amaka you start to there you when farm